Zoho Social is a smart and easy-to-use platform that helps you manage all your social media in one place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your social media accounts to Zoho Social. This helps you plan, publish, monitor, and measure your social media performance, all from one dashboard. Click on Access Zoho Social. You will be prompted to get started by setting up a brand. Across here is a variety of social media platforms you can integrate to Zoho Social. I will be setting up Builders Excellence YouTube channel. Click on the icon, click on Connect YouTube. Then it will prompt you to log into your account. Once you have confirmed and logged into the account, it will prompt a message of a successful brand creation and is in progress fetching your YouTube channel information. On the right-hand side, displayed is the progress fetching the information from the YouTube channel. Once that's complete, the brand health information will now display a quick view of how your connected channels or pages are performing over the past 30 days. Then I'm going to link Builders Excellence Facebook page. In the Add More Channels, I'm going to click on the Facebook icon. Then I'm going to repeat the same steps to log in. Once that is done fetching all the information from Facebook, we can now see two channels are connected, Facebook and YouTube. Moving down, we have the Recent Posts section. Here, you can view your most recent posts from each channel. For example, this Facebook post shows performance details like comments, likes, reach, link clicks, and overall engagement. On the right, the live stream panel provides real-time activity updates across your networks, helping you stay in tune with audience interactions as they happen. Creating a post is simple. Just click New Post, write your message, add media, hashtags, or even emojis, and pick the platforms you want to post to. Use Smart Queue to let Zoho Social choose the best time to post based on when your audience is most active. Or you can schedule the post for a specific date, then click Schedule. View your scheduled posts under Calendar in the Posts tab. You can drag and drop posts to reschedule them and see all your upcoming content at a glance. Going to Messages tab, you can access and reply from here. No more switching in between different social media platforms. You also have the option to update the personal information and save your potential client information. Then on the next tab, you can track the interactions the user had with your content. Then moving on to the Monitor tab, this helps you track brand mentions, keywords, and hashtags across social platforms. Under Connections, you can view the users you have previously engaged with. Collaborate with your marketing team or clients by tagging them in posts and leaving comments. With built-in reports, you can easily see how your posts are doing. Track things like audience growth, reach, and engagement. Customize reports and export them for clients or internal review. From content creation and scheduling to real-time monitoring and in-depth analytics, Zoho Social has everything you need to grow your brand online. Please refer to Zoho's training resources for more information on how to use social in Builders Excellence.